All right, cool. Yeah. So the first thing I want to show is the capabilities from the Gemini Cloud Assist from the billing side.
Okay.
So these are the things come out of the box and free. So in case you're DevOps or FinOps, you're interested about cost of your projects, what you can do is to go to the hamburger menu, go to billing, and then you see Gemini Cloud Assist under reports. This is our basically bread and butter tooling for understanding cost. You have multiple different ways of grouping by resources, grouping by projects, etc., etc. You can choose your filters by labels, organizations, tags, things like that. So these are basically the cost reports, right? So you can see how much it costs of the totality of your organization, right? Gotcha. So from here, what I can do is use natural language, ask Gemini Cloud Assist to generate a report. So I'm curious about how much was my Kubernetes cost and savings in the last 30 days. Okay, so what it does is it's basically send a query and then refresh the page with exactly the parameter I asked it to generate for, right? It is last 30 days, it zoom into the Kubernetes specifically, and as well as giving you insights, right? This insights tab is also powered by Gemini Cloud Assist, right? So it shows, oh, actually you spend this much over this period of time, and that was an increase from last period, similar period last month. And your Kubernetes, because I've asked for Kubernetes engine cost, it also gives me some insights about the Kubernetes engine. And if I were to want to understand it further, I can go to the FinOps Hub, which is one other thing we're demoing here, is basically one-stop shop to understanding your cost optimization opportunities. Okay. It shows you what are the recommendations that you have, what's your realized savings last month, what's the potential savings you can have on top of these recommendations, what are the potential, and it's also break down into which services gives you those potential savings, or what projects if you wanted to choose that. So if you're into the FinOps journey or FinOps kind of practices, it also gives you a score as whether you are setting up your budget, whether you are setting labels, etc., etc. All taking all those things into account gives you a score. So that's kind of how we do that. And if you're interested about specifically waste, so it seems like there's this much of waste. Let's take a look at what they may look like. So this is what we call FinOps 2.0, FinOps Hub 2.0. It's a brand new page that's we built from scratch up, focusing on utilization. So you can think cost and utilization are the two sides of the same coin, right? So previously, in the past, before this week, we have always been focusing on cost from the billing side, but now we're bringing in the utilization insights here. So you can see the computer engine, project, etc. Yeah, go ahead.
FinOps Hub and Cloud Assist in reports and everything, is it already GA or is
this is in public preview.
Public preview.
So it's going to roll out throughout this week.
Throughout this week?
This week and next week.
Okay, so it will become GA soon.
It will become, everyone should be able to try it as public preview. Preview, everyone should be able to try it. Okay. GA will come later.
GA will come later.
Yep.
Awesome.
Okay, cool.
Thank you.
Yeah, no worries. So from here you can see the over-provision resources, under-provision, idle resources, stuff like that.
This is very cool, Jason. Thank you so much for presenting this.
Sure. Yeah,
really
absolutely.
appreciate it. Tk you.
Yeah.
Can we connect on LinkedIn? Is that okay?
Yeah, absolutely.
Yeah.
Here, return this before I.
Thank you.
Are you you said you are an
architect? Yes. Yeah.
So
so teams come to us for answers.
Yeah.
So we are expected to. Yeah, sure. Go ahead. Hold on.
Somehow this scanner. Perfect. Got it. Yeah, teams come